Showbiz fanatics, Maine Mendoza, bakit nga ba tila umiiyak at merong malaking pagsisisi sa kanyang desisyon? Ang lahat ng yan. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe at hit mo na rin ang notification bell for more showbiz updates. Bago tayo magpatuloy, nais ko po muna of course magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga legit viewers, subscribers at ang lahat ng mga legit na nagmamahal at sumusubaybay sa lahat ng ating mga updates. Maraming salamat po. And for today's video, ito na dahil number 1 trending po ngayon si Miss Maine Mendoza sa Twitter or dating Twitter na ngayon ay X. Dahil pinag-uusapan po sa Twitter yung kanya pong naging desisyon. Kasi marami pong naghahanap kay Miss Maine, lalo-lalo na ang mga legit Dabber Cats. Nasa na nga ba si Maine during the time na sineselebrate ng Dabber Cats ang karawan ni Bossing? Last Saturday ay ginanap nga ang isa sa mga birthday celebration nitong si si Bossing Vic Soto sa Itbulaga, kung saan nakasama niya ang kanyang mga family, yung immediate family niya. Nagbigay po sila ng kanya-kanya nilang mga mensahe, umawit, at talaga naman pinakita nila how special Bossing is. Pero dito po sa isang banda ay marami rin pong naghahanap sa presensya ni Miss Maine Mendoza sa mismong kaarawan nga ni Bossing. Kasi nga parang wala dun si Maine. At nabalitaan na lang po natin sa Twitter, pinag-uusapan po siya dahil nasa New York City po si Maine kasama ng kanya pong asawa na si Mr. Arjo Atayde. So, eto na, nag-post po si Miss Maine Mendoza sa kanyang Twitter and sa kanyang Instagram, ng kanyang story na parang little bit parang umiiyak siya at meron siyang pinagsisisihan sa kanyang naging desisyon. Maine Mendoza, Filipina actress, recently got an even shorter haircut. However, the actress host immediately regret her decision after seeing the outcome. According to Maine, she wanted to post a new hair who discontent but failed. As per the actress, her new look a bit of in real life. So, parang hindi niya masyadong nagustuhan yung naging desisyon niya, no? On Sunday, April 21, Maine took to her TikTok page as well as her Instagram channel to share her unfiltered thoughts about her new look. In the video that was reposted by Everything's Maine, Maine could already be seen as sporting a short haircut, which got even shorter. Apparently, while in a foreign country, Maine decided to visit a well-known salon to post a new hair who discontent of her for her followers. However, things did not go according to plan, as the actress regrets her new haircut, saying it looks bits off when seen in real life. When you are a foreign country and you make a spontaneous decision to get a haircut at a well-known salon for the experience and spontaneity, only to regret it later. Sharing this TikTok with you because I really thought I'd come with a cute new hair who discontent. But do not be fooled, it looks a bit off in person, she wrote. On her Instagram channel, Maine even posted a new selfie, said, "Hindi siya cute, guys." So, hindi niya talaga nagustuhan, at sabi pa dito, when you're, ito nga yung kanyang story na talagang nakaka-cringe kasi medyo may pag-iyak pa si Miss Maine Mendoza. So, yun po yung isa sa pinakamalaking pagsisisi niya. Sabi niya, nagsisisi si Itbulaga host Maine Mendoza matapos magpagupit ng buhok. Bagamat nagsisisi siya, bumagay naman kay Maine ang kanyang new look at na short layered bob cut hair na nagtrending agad sa Twitter. Kasi yung buhok niya po parang bumagay din sa itsura niya, sa shape ng mukha niya na medyo makaliitan lang yung face niya. Tapos bagay naman sa kanya yung short haircut, tapos pina-shorter niya pa. Basta sa inilagay niyang caption, nagpagupit si Maine habang nasa abroad sa isang well-known hair salon for the experience. Minsan kasi 'di ba parang pupunta ka sa isang lugar kasi you want to experience this one. Parang yun yung regalo mo sa sarili mo. And it's too late to find out na parang na-off ka, hindi ka nasiyahan. When you are in a foreign country, yun nga yung sinabi niya. And post ko pa din for the occasional TikTok content, dagdag pa niya. Ayon sa mga netizen, mas lalo raw gumanda ang TV host. Sobrang ganda mo, Maine guy. Okay lang, bagay pa rin sa'yo, maganda ka pa rin, Maine cutie. Ang iksi ng buhok ni Maine, pero ang ganda niya. Ayun. So, ilan lang yan sa mga reaction ng ilan sa mga netizen sa TikTok na nakapanood po ng kanyang TikTok account. Nico Menday Capili Mendoza, more popularly known as Maine Mendoza, is a Pinay actress, model, and TV host. Maine rose to prominence after her dub smash videos went viral, which helped her land a role as a Yaya Dub in the country's longest-running noontime show, Eat Bulaga. She eventually landed roles in various movies and TV series, with one of them helping her win Best Supporting Actress during the 41st Metro Manila Film Festival. The actress is now married to actor-politician Arjo Atayde. As previously reported, Maine Mendoza recently reacted to Aria Atayde Sanjo Marudo's wedding, and on Instagram, Maine had reposted a photo that Sanjo originally shared. She even uploaded a black and white photo that she took from wedding on IG. Needless to say, many netizens' hearts were warm upon seeing many react to the event. Meanwhile, Maine Mendoza reacted to a blind item on TikTok. Previously, Basic Pinay uploaded a video about a blind item regarding a female host. Apparently, the unnamed female host, who is known for being kalog, is actually mataray in real life. Eventually, a lot of netizens started name-dropping Maine, prompting the latter to react afterwards. Yun po yung ilan sa mga issue ni Miss Maine Mendoza nung recently na parang pinagbibintangan siya dun sa blind item na lumabas, na siya daw yung tinutukoy na host na kalog daw sa isang show, pero kapag sa real life is mataray. Lagi po siyang nasasabihan ng ganon. Ilang beses na po na parang siya yung lagi yung tinutukoy pag ganon, ano. Pero syempre, agad namang sumagot si Miss Maine Mendoza at nilinaw yung issue na yon. Sinagot niya po yan at sinabi niya, ako agad, which is true naman, diba? Kapag po may mga ganong issue, laging si Maine ang tinuturo. Meron namang isa pong Pilipina rin na nag-post na parang nagpa-picture daw sila dito kay Miss Maine at tinarayan din sila. Pero agad namang ipinaliwanag ni Maine yung kanyang sarili at ganun as well as ng kanyang husband ni si Mr. Arjo Atayde. Ipinaliwanag ito. Sa ngayon, masaya na po si Miss Maine Mendoza kasama ng kanyang husband na si Mr. Arjo Atayde, at pinaniniwalaan ng ilang netizen na parang na-excite na nga yung kanya pong mother-in-law, no, na si ang mami po ni Mr. Arjo Atayde na si Sylvia Sanchez. Ayun. So, nagre-request na nga si Ma'am Sylvia na sana daw soon ay makita niya na ang magiging apo niya para po dito po kay Arjo Atayde and Miss Maine Mendoza. And of course, syempre po nakita naman natin how happy Miss Sylvia to become a second mother of Miss Maine Mendoza, kasi ganun talaga nila, sobrang minahal ang isang Maine Mendoza. So, salamat po sa panonood. Huwag niyong kalimutan mag-like, mag-share at mag-subscribe, at i-follow niyo na rin ang aking Facebook page, Dar Eds TV. God bless everyone!